Wait, your document still looks messy even though the words are correct? Yeah, chances are you haven't used Justify yet. And trust me, this tiny feature makes a huge difference. All right, let me show you how to justify text in Word Mobile in the easiest way possible. First, open your document and select the text you want to fix. You can highlight everything or just a few lines. It's totally up to you. Next, tap on the Home tab at the top. Then just scroll down until you find the Paragraph Formatting section. You'll see a bunch of options like Align Left, Center, and yep, Justify. Go ahead and tap Justify. And boom, your text instantly looks cleaner, more professional, and way easier to read. Super simple, right? But the result? Big upgrade. So next time your document looks a bit off, you already know the fix. And hey, once you start using Justify, there's no going back.